this video, we will be launching VirtualBox to install the virtual machine. We can double click the shortcut created while installation procedure, or we can go onto the search box and select the VirtualBox by searching VirtualBox. Here we can see it. Here we will go to the new. We can give the name of our virtual machine. Here we will be giving it as VM Ubuntu. We can select a folder where this virtual machine will be stored. By default, it is stored in C, Users, Admin, and VirtualBox VMs. You can also change it. Here we will select the type of the OS it is. Here for Ubuntu we will select Linux and version is Ubuntu 64. Hit next. Here the memory size can be given. We can increase the memory as our need. Here we will be giving 2.48 MB. Hit next. The hard disk option will give us three options such as do not add a virtual hard disk, create a virtual hard disk now, use an existing virtual hard disk. As we are creating a fresh virtual machine, we will be using the second option. In the virtual hard disk menu, we will have a three option in which format we want our virtual machine to be. Virtual box disk image, virtual hard disk, virtual machine disk. I recommend here for virtual box disk image. Click next. It will give us two options for allocating physical hard disk, that is dynamically allocated or fixed sized. In dynamically allocated hard disk file will only use space on your physical hard disk as it fills up, although it will not shrink again automatically when the space on it is free. Whereas in free size hard disk, file may take longer to create on some systems, but it is often faster to use. Here we will go with dynamically allocated. Hit next. By default, it gives us a 10 GB of hard disk. Also here, we can change the folder where its VDI file will be stored. Hit create. Here, as we can see, we get a menu of how much memory we have given to it and where this file will be stored. We will click onto the start to start the installation of our Ubuntu VM. It will ask us for the ISO image to be installed. We can click on this folder, and if it is not present here, we'll click onto the add. Where our Ubuntu image is stored, we will go to that folder and select the image. Here I have selected Ubuntu 16.04 desktop image. Hit open. As we can see that the file is entered here. Choose it and start the installation. From here onwards, Ubuntu OS will be downloaded in your virtual machine.